Hey guys, how to peel and dice a clove of garlic? Well, it's super easy. First you give it a little smack with your knife. That should be good already. Then you cut here on the end, not all the way through. Make sure there's still some peel left on the other side. So you can then move your knife and drag the peel all the way through. Do the same here on the other side. And there you go. That's it. So if you want to do it quickly here, check it out. Smack. Cut, not all the way through. Cut, not all the way through. And done. That takes less than a second, I'd say. To dice it, treat it like an onion. Give it 2 to 3 cuts lengthwise. Then from the top, 2 to 3 cuts. Like that. And then you can go ahead and dice it slightly. Slowly. Don't cut your fingers. When you reach the end, you can easily just do the same thing again, depending on how thorough you want to be. Give it a little cut here as well. And, well, there you go. That takes less than 30 seconds.